it's Dustin with Tech MD. Today we're going to be fixing an Xbox One X. Now this is... Okay, now that we got our resolution issue, went to like 640p or something like that, so we fixed it. But yeah, anyways, we got it to 4K, no problem. Just gonna go ahead and unplug these because they don't belong in there quite yet. The next plate was the top. It's even harder to put this together if you wait several days waiting for parts. So don't tear apart this device unless you intend on fixing it same day. At least you guys have a video to go through and see me. You can always backdate, no problem on the video. Okay. Well, we have a right and a left screw here. As I remember, this one is plugged into this port here. All right, now setting that right there, plug it in. We're going to carefully, yeah, let's get these gold screws in first. As you can see here, I marked it gold so I know which screws go in which spot, and I also moved them in the right spot. Except for that one. Yeah, no, that was the short one. That was the long one. Perfect. Nothing too complicated about that piece, it just sits in flush. We're going to go ahead and clip that in. This piece still wants to just fall out, so we're going to, oh wait, here we go, now we're getting some snaps. But it's still a little loose in the back here, this piece. So we're going to, might fall out, and if it do, we'll wait until, yep, there it goes. We'll wait until we get ready to put the top on, or the other piece on. All right, let's get, now those don't look like the screws as I remember. These are the three on this. Let's do this first. Okay, so I did get that reversed. That's right, this is left screw. That makes more sense. Okay, those annoying screws are in. And this is top left and this is bottom right screws. But I have a feeling I've knocked a few of my screws around. This is why I said it might be helpful to use another mat when doing this. The hard drive can be a little bit tricky to get in. So what you gotta do is kind of screw it in this way because I'm not actually holding down the hard drive like I like. So we're gonna get one screw in here to start pushing the hard drive downward. I should have, before putting the top on, put the hard drive on first. To make your life easier. But that should have helped the alignment issue right there. I'm going to grab another screw here. And pulls it right up. Perfect. But you have to make sure the alignment's on there or, well, you're not going to screw into anything. All right, got the hard drive in. All right, the next is just your final screws here. They're all pretty much identical except for these two, one over here, which I would assume are these two. Now this piece still is not exactly holding on, but I'm gonna hold it down a little bit here while we slide this new piece on. And then it should hold. Not your new piece, but your original piece here. Yeah, and remember there's being a trick to it. So this here is a screw hole and that one as well. So it has to go right along those screw holes, and you have to slide the lid in a certain way. This piece still doesn't want to stay. Because I remember this being pretty darn tricky. Get lifted up and above this piece here. Maybe I'll try. The 360 was so much easier to open. All right, so we're gonna try putting it over here first. And then we're gonna get in between all these clips. I think that's our key, is the clips. All right, so we got in between those clips here, no problem. This one, we actually have to push in. below these plastic clips. Taking it apart is much easier. So we're below the clips here, but not below it there. I might have to lift this whole darn thing out. Focus on the clips on this side first.
A few minutes later.
Well, I'm gonna finish the video now, but you guys obviously should put both your black screws in the back so everything is sealed up and secured. Please like and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. More detailed videos of fixing random electronics coming in the future. Have a good one, guys. See ya.